Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about some important numericals. Numerical. A hammer, a hammer, a hammer of mass 5 kg falls freely falls freely from a height from a height of 3 meters. Calculate point number 1, the velocity calculate the velocity and point number 2, the kinetic energy the kinetic energy of the hammer just before it touches the ground. This is the question. Okay, now first given once again I am repeating the question. A hammer of mass 5 kg falls freely from a height of 3 meters. Calculate the velocity and point 2, the kinetic energy of the hammer just before it touches the ground. This is the question. Now first write the given physical quantities. Mass of hammer, M is called 5 kg. Okay. Next, initial velocity initial velocity, initial velocity u is equal to 0. Distance, 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 mode, distance, mode, s is equal to 3 meters. Now acceleration, acceleration due to gravity, due to gravity g is equal to 9.8 meter by second square. This is the information we have. Now we are entering into the answer for the question. Point number 1. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. This is the third equation of motion. From this one, we note that v square is equal to u square plus 2gs. That is equal to 0 square plus 2 into 9.8 into s is equal to 3. That is equal to 58.8. That is equal to v square. Therefore, v is equal to root 58.8. That is equal to 7.67 meter per second. Now, point number 2. Kinetic energy of hammer. Kinetic energy of the hammer. 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 Just before touches the ground. That is, kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. That is equal to 1 by 2 m is 5. What is V square? 58.8 is V square. Therefore, kinetic energy E is equal 1 by 2 into 5 into 58.8. How much? 294. Therefore, energy is equal 294 divided by 2. How much? 147. Therefore, energy is equal 147 joules. Like that, we have to solve any type of the numerical. However, thank you very much. Now we are going to discuss next and some important formulas followed by numericals. Now some important formulas. Power P is equal work by time, or energy supplied energy supplied whole by time taken or power P is equal force into velocity. That means power P is equal F into V. Now P is measured in what? Work. W is measured in joule. E is energy is measured in joule. F is force measured in Newton. Now V is velocity measured in meter per second. Now T is time measured in second. Now I want to repeat this concept. Please observe carefully. P is equal, power is equal work by time or energy supplied by time taken. Power P is equal force into velocity. Power P is equal force into velocity. P is measured in what? Denoted by a letter capital W. W is measured in joule, denoted by a letter J. E is measured in joules, denoted by a letter J. F is measured in Newton, denoted by a alphabetical letter capital N. V is measured in meter per second, denoted by a letter small m by small s. T is measured in second, denoted by a letter S. This is about power. Now we are going to discuss some numericals on this basis. Now go for numerical. If the heart works 60 joules, 60 joule in 1 minute. In 1 minute. In 1 minute. What is its power? Dear students, listen here. Numerical. If the heart works 60 joules in 1 minute, what is its power? This is question. Now, given W is equal, small w is equal 60 joules. Time t is equal 1 minute. That is equal 60 seconds. The reason is 1 minute is equal 60 seconds. Therefore, power is equal question mark. Now, solution. What is the solution? Power P is equal work by time. What is the work? 60 joules. What is the time? 60 seconds. That is equal 1. Therefore, the power P is equal 1 watt. Or power P is equal 1 capital W means watt. Like that, we have to solve such type of the numericals. Once again I am repeating, if the heart works 60 joules in 1 minute, what is its power? This is the question. Given work is equal 60 joules, time t is equal 1 minute, time t is equal to 60 seconds, power P is equal to how much? Question mark. Therefore, power P is equal work by time, that is equal 60 by 60, that is equal to 1. That means power P is equal to 1 watt, or power P is equal to 1 capital W, because the power unit is watt. The alphabet is capital W. Therefore, the power is equal to 1 watt. Like that, we have to solve the numericals. Thank you very much for watching this video.